The driver and piston assembly consists of an assembled piston and driver. The piston pushes the driver down the cylinder to drive the nails into your workpiece. The most common issue with the piston assembly is damage to the driver. Over time, the tip of the driver will wear. Eventually it can round off, which can cause nails to jam. Sometimes the tip will crack or break off. This causes the gun to no longer drive the nails completely. The tip of the driver might also be broken if a nail strikes something hard, like concrete or a piece of metal. Replacing the driver and piston assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the head from the nail gun. Now I can remove the cylinder and piston. Now I can install the new piston and driver assembly. First, I'll transfer the piston ring from the old piston to the new. If the ring's worn out, you'll want to replace it. Now I'll install the piston back into the cylinder. This makes the reassembly easier. Now I can align the driver with the opening in the bottom of the nail gun and insert the entire driver and cylinder assembly into the gun. And now I can reinstall the head.